What is computer ethics? Computer ethics is a field of applied ethics dealing with ethical issues surrounding the use, design, and administration of computer technology, as well as the formulation of ethical rules to govern its use in the society. Do you know that there are 10 commandments formulated? Computer ethics refers to the moral principles that should guide computer professionals' conduct. The 10 commandments of computer ethics serves as a set of guidelines for all of us to follow. Read on to know the 10 commandments. Commandment number 1. Thou shalt not use computer to harm other people. Do not use the computer in a way that could cause harm to others. This commandment states that using a computer to hurt another user is unethical. It isn't just about bodily harm. It includes tampering with or damaging the data or files of other users. It is forbidden to use a computer to steal someone's personal information. According to this commandment, it is unethical to manipulate or delete files of other users. It is unethical to build programs that, when run, steal, copy, or obtain unauthorized access to the data of other users. Participating in illegal activities such as hacking, spamming, or cyberbullying is against computer ethics. Commandment number 2. Thou shalt not interfere with other people's computer work. Do not utilize computer technology to obstruct other people's work. Software can be used in ways that disturb or disrupt other users. Viruses, for example, are computer programs that are designed to destroy useful computer applications or disrupt the computer's normal operation. Computers can be harmed by malicious software in a variety of ways. It may cause computer memory to be overloaded as a result of excessive resource usage, causing the computer to slow down. It has the potential to cause a computer to malfunction or even shut down. It is unethical to assault computers with harmful software. Commandment number 3. Thou shalt not snoop around in other people's computer files. It is not a good idea to spy on someone else's computer data. We all know that it is unethical to read someone's personal letters. According to Republic Act No. 1073, known as the Data Privacy Act, is a law that seeks to protect all forms of information, be it private, personal, or sensitive. It is meant to cover both natural and juridical persons involved in the processing of personal information. It is wrong to read someone else's email messages or files. Obtaining data from another person's private files is nothing less than breaking into someone else's room. Snooping around in another person's files or reading someone else's personal messages is the invasion of his privacy. Thus, Jonathan Franzen stated that without privacy, there was no point in being an individual. Commandment number 4. Thou shalt not use a computer to steal. Using computer technology to steal information is not a good idea. Robbery is the act of stealing or revealing sensitive information. Obtaining personal information from a database of employees, patient history from a hospital database, or other confidential information is unlawful. It is likewise unethical to break into a bank account to get information about the account or the account holder. The unauthorized electronic transmission of funds classified as fraud. Because to technical improvements, information hacking has gotten significantly easier. Computers can be used to store stolen information. Using a computer to steal or pilfer someone else's computer work is immoral. Commandment number 5. Thou shalt not use a computer to bear false witness. Do not use technology in spreading misinformation. The internet has made it possible for information to spread virally today. This also means that misleading information or rumors can spread quickly via social media or email. It is unethical to participate in the spread of false information. Mails and pop-ups are frequently used to disseminate incorrect information or false alerts with the sole purpose of selling things. It is unethical to participate directly or indirectly in the spread of misleading information. Giving inaccurate information may cause harm to those people or organizations touched by the theme. Commandment number 6. Using of unpaid software is an illegal act or considered as software piracy. If a game or software is not free, you should always pay before playing it. Software is an intellectual product. In that way, it is like a book. Obtaining illegal copies of copyrighted software is as bad as photocopying a copyrighted book. Commandment number 7. Thou shalt not use other people's computer resources without authorization. This means that you should never use another person's internet connection, computer, or software without first obtaining permission or payment. This commandment refers to the word plagiarism and hacking. It is unethical to copy or to take someone's file or work without any permission for the original author or the true owner. Commandment number 8. Thou shalt not appropriate other people's intellectual output. This means that you should never use another person's words or ideas without properly citing them. And you should never claim that copied words are your own. Copying somebody's intellectual property without proper authorization is software piracy and unethical. Intellectual property is a form of ownership. A file or computer work that you made is entitled as your own. Commandment number 9. Thou shalt think about the social consequences of the program you write. This means that you should consider the impact of what you do, say, and produce with computers on other people. Computer through internet can make you do socialization or make or say things that could be spread out not only to your friends but also to the whole world. As a responsible one, always think of the consequences that you may acquire in some things you share or you make. Commandment number 10. Thou shalt always use a computer in ways that show consideration and respect. This means that you should be courteous and respectful in all you say and do when using a computer or any other digital equipment. It is ethical to use a computer to show respect to others, to make the computer as a way to show consideration and to show care to others. Think before you click.